Hey guys, welcome to my first ever fishing video, and today we are here at RSM Lake located in California, and we are going to be doing some catfish, bass, and carp fishing today. So we're going to be using squid as bait, and then we're going to be using these types of circle hooks today. So comment down below if you have any tips, but enjoy. So we're going to be getting some bait, guys. We're going to be getting some squid. Let's see if we could get some pieces out, because it's kind of like frozen. Yeah, and I didn't bring a knife or anything. Oh, we got a piece out. Alright, now we're going to run the hook through the squid like that, and oh. Okay, so guys, now we've got our bait on, so next step is to just cast it out. Make sure it dries as nice as it is. And we're just gonna cast it out. You don't have to record that. Okay. Let's cast it out. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. There we go. And it's just gonna sink. Alright, good. Now we got the squid on this one. No weight, no nothing, just the hook and the squid. We're just gonna cast it out. This is tight. Okay. This is a two-piece one. Okay, and I think we need a weight for the squid. Alright, we can maybe just get like a hot dog. Alright guys, well, we've been casting out our lines. I forgot to bring pole holders. So my rod's just sitting there. His rod is just sitting there. Right there. And he's pretending to feed ducks. I don't know. And we've just been sitting here for like 20 minutes. Oh, he's getting bites. He's getting bites. He's getting bites. Okay. Little fries. Pick up your rod. Pick up your rod. Do not reel. Go up to the surface. Okay. Yeah, just reel in a little bit to make it tight so you can feel. Don't hold it up. Go like this. And then just wait, okay? You might get bites again. But okay, that was like the only action we've gotten, really. For like the last 20 minutes, I haven't gotten anything on mine. There's this duck right here. So, yeah. I'll update you guys in a little bit. I just got a little bite right there. Probably just a bluegill, honestly. Okay guys, so now I'm done using squid, and these bluegill keep biting my line of the squid. So I had enough of them. I got some revenge. Oh, he's still up. Yeah, buddy. How do you like that? And guys, skip the video if you get kind of disturbed from hooking of the fish. Are you gonna put it in through that way? Yeah. Shut up the mouth. No. That guy's just staying still. Okay. So now we got the fish on, and the bluegill are gonna bite the stupid freaking line anymore. Oh, dude, that's freaking perfect. Okay, this guy right here could catch us catfish.
Nah.
Yes, we can. Watch out. Watch out. We're using Mother Nature's resources to catch us a freaking fish. So look, he's gonna be like running a little bit. That's how live bait works. They're gonna be running a little bit.
Wait, what about worms? Worms don't work like that.
No. But these fish are actually alive. Alright guys. Alright, look at this. Goodbye. Hold on. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to catch it. Oh. You just kinda have to like let them bite it and just pull up. I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
Yeah, you can't, but you can just see the bait moving.
Oh, come on.
need. Oh, you see that big one?
Yeah.
There's a big one. Oh, did you guys hear that? That was me hooking. It came off. Yeah, like that one that hit the bar. Yeah, guys. Because guys, look. So when K-Man Fishing, like, did that whole thing, like freaking yank it up in the air, a huge fish freaking hit the bar over here and went over there. Oh, show the camera. Hold on. Just let him. And then I did. There we go. Okay.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in another video. Bye bye.